Lesson 6.7 is on pages 251 through 255. Skills for the lesson are adding data, changing the chart type, and switching between rows and columns. You will go to Schoology and download the 6.7 source, and then save it as 6.7 Superhero 2. Step 3A, go to cell G4 and change that data to 55. Step 3B, insert a column between column C and D. In cell D3, type the word neck. Step 3C, you will have to enter all of the superheroes' neck measurements, so that's on page 252. Step 4, to add additional chart data to an existing chart. We're going to go ahead and click anywhere in the superhero measurement comparison chart. Step 4B, drag the sizing handle in the bottom left corner of the chest column to the left until the neck column is also selected. Step 5, from the Chart Tools Chart Design tab, select the Superhero Measurement Comparison Chart. Then click Change Chart Type. And from the Chart Type dialog box under All Charts, go and find in the Column section the clustered column and click OK. Step 6, select the Superhero Measurement Comparison Chart. Then click Switch Row or Column to switch our X and Y axis data of that existing chart. Step 7, change the chart legend to appear on top. Step 8, to add alternative text to the superhero weight comparison chart, you're going to right click on the chart and then click Edit Alt Text. Step 8B, you will type the text comparison chart of each superhero's weight in the description field. Step 9, in the superhero measurement comparison column chart, for the alternative text, you will type comparison chart of each superhero's neck, chest, arm, waist, and thigh measurement. Step 10, in the superhero height comparison bar chart, we're going to add the alternative text to say comparison chart of each superhero's height. Save your spreadsheet and submit on Schoology.